over? Oh. Hala, peto.
Minutes?
Yep, that's it.
Go there, Wing.
Okay.
So make the 10 pillows.
Let me sit here. Nice and comfortable. And see us sleep.
That's okay.
10 minutes later. Done na ba? Ano? Kasi 30 minutes pa?
Yeah.
Wow, sobrang matagal yun. Put that thing off. Oh, too dark.
Doon kayo sa taas, maingay kayo.
Sepada peto. Toralet. Wait na ako. Are you ready done?
No.
Almost done?
I'm almost done.
Okay, let me spin a bit.
Wait!
Done? Wow! You forgot some cars, kumot. Ang sa taas. Kay Mami.
Come here na, guys. It's done.
Done.
We're done. It's pretty spacious. It's
Okay.
Come here. Come here.
Here.
Here yung opening.
Ito closing. Ito living.
Heart.
This is our living home. Asan dito na yung oh, look like so. Oh, looks like Japan's shell. Toilets. Asleep.
Oh, here is your
10 minutes later.
hero.
And okay, 10 minutes is done.
Go there to your space. Mami! Mama! Yaya, wag!
Ito yung tent ko.
Yaya! Look!
Ito ba yung upuan ko? That is a bit comfy.
Like here. This is my time.
And bumpy.
Chichon!
Oh.
Win, ito yung tent mo!
Ito yung upuan ko.
Yes, lagay mo dito yung pan mo. Pero dito yung tent mo, Win, oh. Dito yung space.
Okay.
Dito yan, lagay mo dito.
Okay.
Punta ka na dito sa spacious mo. Wait. Di, dyan. Dito yung katabi niya.
Okay.
Dito